Hola a todos. Welcome to our very first episode of Learn Spanish 3 Words at a Time. I'm Aria, and today we're starting with something simple and super useful: greetings in Spanish. Our first word is hola. This is the most common way to say hello in Spanish. It's simple, friendly, and easy to remember. Next, we have hablar, which means to speak. A super useful word, especially when you're learning a new language. And finally, we have feliz, which means happy. You can use it to express how you're feeling or to wish someone a happy day. Now, let's combine these 3 words into a sentence. Ready? Hola, quiero hablar español felizmente. This means, hello, I want to speak Spanish happily. Simple, right? Let's practice. I'll say the word in Spanish and you say it back to me. Ready? Hola. Hablar. Feliz. Great job. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's it for today's episode of Learn Spanish 3 Words at a Time. Remember, small steps lead to big progress. Join me next time for 3 new words. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite Spanish words so far. Hasta luego. See you soon.